my name is Andy Garcia, and this is my Colt bike. Right here we got the 2 short frame, super nice frame. Snaps really well for Smith hard 180s. And then over here we got the Colt Salvation V2 stem, 8K bars, Sean McKinney grips, super soft, super cool. We got Colt Sec forks, Chase D Hart tires, best tires out there. Butter pegs, you know, gotta go with the tires. 1 Primo wheel, that's the only probably a Colt part I don't have. Wait, I lied, I got a Supreme chain. Shout out to Alfredo for the chain and On Some Shit, you know. Got the Colt DAC seat in green. Colt hot cranks, Colt DAC pedals, great combo. We got Colt free coaster, and then another Chase D hard tire, 2.2, butter peg in the back as well. Couple hub guards, Colt member sprocket in green. Gotta match the seat, camoed out. And I ride a tripod post, and I believe that's my bike. If you're watching, subscribe to thecomeUp.com and follow Colt Crew and at On Some Shit. Huge shout out to them, and shout out Robbie, everybody, my mom, my brothers, I don't know, they're tight. Buffalo Wild Wings, here we go. Condoms. I done did all kind of shit. Y'all niggas just full of shit.